By tomorrow, Binance Coin is forecasted to rise 2.2% based on coin data flow. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. As of this recording, Binance Coin has dropped by 0.3% over the past 24 hours and is trading around $642.50. Let's get into what analysts expect today. CoinDataFlow expects the chart to show $657.04 tomorrow, a gain of roughly 2.2%. Digital Coin Price expects Binance Coin could move towards $644.23, roughly 0.2% higher. Traders Union points out it could weaken to $642.29, a move lower of approximately 0.1%. A separate projection by 30 Rates highlights Binance Coin could fall to $636, an expected decrease of approximately 1.1%. And lastly, Gov Capital Collector projects $621.31 by May 21, down by 3.4%. This one offers the best short-term payoff. That's all for the forecast calls. Let's continue the analysis. Lining up the predictions, here's what they suggest. Analysts' numbers point to a move between a drop of 3.4% and a gain of 2.2%. Considering all forecasts, Gov Capital Collector is at the top with 3.4% upturn in value by May 21. It's clear you could earn between $1 and $34 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability perspective, Traders Union has the most dependable forecast, showing a 78.2% chance of success. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. The consensus figure points to Binance Coin at about $640.18, mostly unchanged. Here are the details. The consensus assessment points to the price dropping 0.4%. On those same terms, your capital could potentially move higher by 0.4%. On a 1,000 investment, that could amount to about $4 gained. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 75.5%. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. CoinDataFlow highlights that Binance Coin could head higher. Similarly, Digital Coin Price describes the path as tilting upward. Traders Union anticipates Binance Coin heading south. Likewise, 30 Rates describes the near-term path as bearish. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector expects a bearish continuation. Taken as a whole, the consensus shows Binance Coin staying level in the short term. The combined picture shows that most expect Binance Coin to move into lower levels. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Today we look at them against the outcome. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $640. With this outcome, most analysts were right about the direction. Closest forecast to the actual move came from CoinCodex. Now let's break it all down. 2 predictions matched the span of the daily candle. Speaking of ROI, gains appeared across several forecasts, and coin price forecast came out ahead with 0.7%. And now the recap is on screen. All forecast outcomes together. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for CoinDataFlow was 75.5%, with $4.73 accuracy and minus 0.1% ROI. Take a second and guess which analyst led the pack today. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns